You've spent a lot of time making your home look and feel great, reflecting your taste and the way you like to live. But how much thought have you given to the other levels of comfort, like cooling your living space during Perth's long, hot summers? Air conditioning is quite simply a necessity, and it pays to spend time to get the right advice and the right system to suit your home and lifestyle. Air Force Air Conditioning specialises in the best names in air, supplying, installing, servicing and maintaining quality brands of air conditioners like Daikin, Breezair, Advantage Air and Samsung. Depending on the style of your home and your budget, you can choose from wall-hung or ducted split reverse cycle air conditioning systems or evaporative systems. We also keep up to date with the latest technology in energy-saving devices like the Advantage Air touchscreen controllers, which allow you to install temperature sensors to maximise energy efficiency. Air Force Air Conditioning for competitive pricing, comprehensive quotes and a 5-year warranty on all work. Residential and commercial air conditioning solutions by a locally owned company who knows how to deal with the WA heat. No wonder we've received so many awards. Air Force Air Conditioning, Perth and Bunbury. The force in air conditioning.